Hello everybody, cafe in the new sofa. I like these pills. Meet the Moray, the ocean jump scare. It hides in the hole, looking like a sock puppet in the angry issues. Like me, maybe. Here is the horror twist. It has two jaws, man. Two jaws. Like a movie alien. Brrr. I like Alien Earth. Watch it. Watch it. The second jaw shoots forward to grab prey. Look like surprise dental work. First jaw, second jaw. Amazing. Nature is amazing. Divers know that look smiling Moro with sharp teeth, but it's not smiling. It's just this side if your finger in a snack. So the Moro is basically the creepy nightmare. Stays in the cave all day, all day, all night. But when you get too close, chomp. Nature didn't need to invite this twice, but it did. Please subscribe. I like Morrowind. Come to museum to see this beautiful creature. Thank you.